Welcome to the Chiefs Arena. This is your latest Kaizer Chiefs transfer news. Ronaldo Lina has officially joined Kaizer Chiefs. We are also going to talk about the rumors regarding Cassius Mailula. Make sure you smash a like to the video. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section and subscribe to the channel if you are new. We're trying to reach 1K subscribers before the start of the season, so make sure you get involved. Let's get into it. Ronaldo Lina has officially joined Kaizer Chiefs. It's official. It's a done deal. Has been unveiled. Great signing. I think we are now sorted in that goalkeeping department. We now have a reliable number two goalkeeper. We have a great number one goalkeeper. Brendan Peterson is obviously still going to be the number one. At least he's going to have a reliable backup, because last season with Fia Sentuari and Bruce Vuma, he had no reliable backup. So yeah, man, I'm going to sleep peacefully, knowing if anything, God forbid, happens to Brendan Peterson, I have someone who's ready to step up. 28 years old. Brendan Peterson is 31. So Brendan Peterson has maybe 2 seasons in the locker. Ronaldo Lina, on the other hand, has 5. So yeah, we are sorted for the next 3 seasons or so. So yeah, great signing, man. And I'm not even going to give Kaizer Junior Mtaung any credit. I am not. Because we all know if Ronaldo Lina didn't become a free agent, we weren't going to make this move. So I am not giving him any credit at all. He's still a disgrace of a sporting director. Our window is still far from being good. We only made 2 signings, great signings, Chabum Loisane and Ronaldo Lina, 2 great players, but it's not enough. So I'm not going to give him any credit as of now. And yeah, man, Ronaldo Lina to Kaizer Chiefs, done deal. Now let's move to Cassius Mailula. Now I am seeing a lot of things. I'm seeing a lot of reports. Cassius Mailula has been invited to train with Kaizer Chiefs. Cassius Mailula is training with Kaizer Chiefs. His own assessment with the hopes of impressing Fernando da Cruz. I think it's a whole load of bollocks. Because tell me, why will Cassius Mailula, having lit up the Patriot Premiership with Mamelodi Sundowns and a big money move to Toronto in the MLS, went to Wydad on loan, played in the Club World Cup, and won promotion to the Belgium Pro League, why will that player be interested in a trial with Kaizer Chiefs? It doesn't make sense. So there's nothing to this. Cassius Mailula is not under assessment at Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs hasn't made any contacts as of now. So don't be going around listening to all this whole load of nonsense. This is what I hate about the transfer window. People are opportunistic out there. They are going to post everything for likes, for views. So there's really nothing between Kaizer Chiefs and Cassius Mailula as of now. I think Kaizer Chiefs are definitely going to try to get Cassius Mailula. He's a free agent, so pub and whatever, man. 1+1, Kaizer Chiefs and free agents. It makes sense. And Cassius Mailula is a great player. So yeah, maybe in the upcoming days we'll hear something concrete from reliable sources. But as of now, Cassius Mailula is under no assessment at Kaizer Chiefs, and that's not possible. So yeah, man, it's all dog shit. But yeah, that's all for today. Smash a like. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section. Thanks for watching. I'm out.